Hello, welcome to this lesson. We are going to look at how we solve trigonometry. So we are going to solve an example using the double angle formulas. So our equation is 3 cos 2 theta plus sin theta equal to 1. So we are going to use from double angle. So since this one is in sine, we are going to say cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So we substitute in the above equation. So we shall have 3. So 3 instead of cos of 2 theta, we write 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, then plus sine theta is equal to 1. So we open brackets, this will be 3 minus 6 sine squared theta plus sine theta is equal to 1. So since this equation has a highest power of 2, it becomes a quadratic equation, which we must equate to 0. So we can correct all terms to one side. So since this is positive, I can take them to the right-hand side to become positive, and that will give me 6 sine squared theta. The sign will become negative sine theta, and then we have 3. So when we get 3 minus, so when it crosses, it will be 1 minus 3, it gives us negative 2, and we say this is equal to 0. So when we multiply this, it will give us 12. 6 times negative 2. We need to get two factors that we multiply to give us negative 12, and when we add them, they give us a negative 1. So I think that would be 4, negative 3, and a 4. So that when we add them, they give us a negative 1. When we subtract them, they give us a negative. So when we multiply them, they give us negative 12. So we shall have 6 sine squared theta minus 4 sine theta plus 3 sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So when we get here, we can group. So 6 sine squared theta minus 4 sine theta. I think this grouping will not work. So group 6 and 3. So that will be 6 sine squared theta plus 3 sine theta. So that would be one group. Then minus, open another one, 4 sine theta. So plus 2 is equal to 0. So we get the common factors. So the common factor here will be 3 sine theta. So we shall remain with 2 sine theta plus 1. And here the common factor will be a 2 into 2 sine theta plus 1. This is equal to 0. So this and this are also common. So we shall have 3 sine theta plus 2 into 2 sine theta plus 1. So this is equal to 0. So when we do that, we say either sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Sine theta is equal to 2. Sine of theta is 2 over 3. So we take the sine inverse, and our theta would be sine inverse of 2 over 3 would be 41.8. So 41.8. So because sine here was positive, we are going to get angles in the first quadrant, which is already here, then another angle in the second quadrant. So we shall get angle in second quadrant, which should be 180 plus 41.8. So this will give us 221.8. So that would be for one value of theta. Then we shall say all 2 sine theta is equal to sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0, and the sine theta is equal to -1/2. Then here we shall take the sine inverse. So because the sign is negative here, our angles are going to be in the third and fourth quadrants. So we take sine equaling to positive, so this will be 1/2. Then theta is sine inverse over 1/2. And theta will be equal to sine inverse over 1/2 will be equal to 30 degrees. So angle in the third quadrant is 180 plus, so it's 180 plus 30. This will be 210 degrees. And then angle in the fourth is going to be 360 minus 30. So this will be 330 degrees. So we can say our solution set is equal to, so get back here and see our angles. So we had 41.8 and 221.8. So we can say 41.8. Then we can add 210, 221.8, and 330. So that would be the solution to our problem. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified when more videos are uploaded.